In the previous lesson, we have installed development environment in our local machine, but Laravel not standalone software like CodeIgniter, for example. It needs other dependency package or libraries. That's why we need to install dependency management software called Composer. To install Composer, just go to official website getcomposer.org and click Download. This download page provides several ways to install Composer based on operating system we have. For Windows user, just click the composer-setup.exe link to download the package. When finished, click the package, and here we have to choose the location where PHP is installed. In WAM server, we can go to WAM folder, bin PHP, and here we have two versions of PHP. I choose the PHP version 5 and click the php.exe. Click Open button and click Next button to prepare the installation. I skip the proxy setting and click Install button to install the Composer. Here we get additional information. I click the Next button and that's it. Composer installation is finished. Let's check the Composer installation. Let's open the command windows, type Composer, and hit Enter. Here we get the information about Composer version and some helps. This tells us the Composer installed successfully and we are ready to go. Now let's install the Laravel installer. This installer is shortcut, so we don't need to create new Laravel project by using Composer create-project command. Let's go to Laravel installation guide, and here before install Laravel installer, let's take a look at the server requirement here. We need PHP greater than or equal 5.5.9, open SSL extension, PDO, PHP extension, embed string, and tokenizer PHP extension. Let's see in our server setting. Open SSL extension, PDO extensions, embed string extension, tokenizer extensions. Okay, the requirements are met in our server. Now let's scroll down to Laravel installer guide, copy the command, and paste to command window. Composer global require mean we install the package globally, not in current directory. In Windows, global package located in current user folder, app data, roaming, Composer. Laravel /installer is the name of the package that Composer would download from repository. Now we have to wait the download process for a minute or more. Okay, the Laravel installation is done. Now let's check it by showing the Laravel installer version. This tells us that Laravel installer is working perfectly. If you find issue, it could be the path is not set up correctly. To do that, just check your current path and check whether the Composer global package path exists or not. If it's not exist, just set the path of your Composer global package to current path. With the Laravel installer installed successfully, you can try to create new Laravel project. For example, I create new project called Hello. Now we have to wait download process in a minute or more. Now change directory to the new Laravel project and run php origin serve to run php built-in server. Go to browser and enter localhost:8000. There we go. The default Laravel homepage is show up. You can also put the Laravel project in WAM server or some document root directory. Here I put in www directory. Now in browser, we can access our Laravel project with localhost, Laravel project folder name, /public. And there we go. we get same default Laravel homepage.